Why aren't more property managers talking about elevators that make life easier? You need to see this if you want happier tenants and zero headaches. UrbanLift Solutions is changing the game for property managers across Canada. We've got elevators, stair lifts and wheelchair lifts, all customizable, all built with smart tech, like face recognition panels. Worried about costs? Don't be. We've got options for every budget, plus a 3 years warranty. That means no more surprise repair bills, just smooth rides always. And we don't just install and run. Our team is with you every step, making sure your building is accessible, reliable and future-proof. So if you want to attract more tenants, boost your property value and sleep easier at night, UrbanLift is the upgrade you've been waiting for. And now, managing your elevators is even easier with the UrbanLift mobile app. Get real-time updates, schedule maintenance, and access support right from your phone. Download now and unlock exclusive features. Gap.